Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Chauhan and I welcome you all on the platform of Innovators Adda। आज का ये जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो मैं बाइलिंगुअल मोड में करने वाला हूँ मींस क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है ऑल ओवर इंडिया के जुड़े हुए हैं ताकि उन्हें लैंग्वेज में कोई इशू ना। सो डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू डील इन बोथ लैंग्वेजेस, हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश। So you can see on the screen right now whatever the important topic we are going to discuss, that is how we can easily crack ESIC pharmacist exam with top rank। Yes, आपने बहुत सही देखा, स्क्रीन पर बहुत सही सुना आपने। हम लोग बहुत ही आसान तरीके से एक मंथ की प्रिपरेशन के अंदर हम लोग ESIC फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम को बहुत इजीली क्रैक कर सकते हैं, वो भी बहुत ही अच्छे रैंक से हम लोग। सो बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग फॉर दिस वीडियो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू ऑल फॉर अप्रिशिएटिंग माय ऑल वीडियोस। आप लोग सारी वीडियोस को देख रहे हो, बहुत सराह रहे हो एंड इट ऑलवेज गिव्स मी इमेंस प्लेजर एंड वेरी कॉन्फिडेंस। तो हमेशा मेरे लिए मोरल बूस्टिंग का काम करता है और हमेशा मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाता है सो दैट आई कैन केम अप विद दी more and more videos with the very tips and tricks and very smart videos and very knowledgeable videos। ये सारी चीजें मैं जो है आप लोगों के सामने सब चीजें लेके आ सकूं। So let's start the topic। So in today's session we are going to deal with the ESIC pharmacist exam। Yes, you can top this exam in a 1 month preparation, but you need a right strategy। Understand? Right strategy is very important apart from hard work। If you are doing hard work, only hard work, definitely you are not going to get the selection। Apart from hard work, you have also to follow the right strategy, then definitely with the right approach you are going to get selection in a very easy manner। So in this video I have also discussed some tips and tricks। Apart from that, previous questions also have discussed, so watch this video till end। So now coming on the contents, whatever the contents I am going to discuss throughout the video। About exam, I'm going to discuss what are the basic pay scale you are going to get for this post, what are the qualifications, means what are the eligibility criteria, and what is the age limit for this exam। Understand? Then after that we are going to discuss syllabus and pattern। what could be the syllabus, और syllabus के लिए आपको क्या करना है मैं आपको पहले बता दूं कि हमारी जो प्लेलिस्ट है, आई हैव जस्ट मेड अ प्लेलिस्ट in as a pharmacist exam। So how to crack pharmacist exam, I have just told about the smart syllabus। So follow that smart syllabus because that smart syllabus is going to assure your selection। Understand? So for reading that smart syllabus you can follow our channel videos। Understand? And you can go for the self study as well। So how vacancies are being notified, these all things we are going to discuss, how we can apply for this। Understand? And questions being asked in previous year questions, previous years। Why it is going to be very important? Because it gives you idea what is the level of exam, what are the basic topics they are going to ask। And lastly I am going to discuss about the tips and tricks। So लास्ट तक आपको वीडियो को देखनी है, वीडियो को स्किप नहीं करना, बिकॉज सारी चीजें मैं जो बता रहा हूं वो शायद ही आपने कहीं सुनी होगी सारी चीजें। ठीक है, तो लेट्स मूव अहेड। चलिए हम लोग जरा समझते हैं कि एग्जाम के बारे में। सबसे पहले पोस्ट नेम इज फार्मासिस्ट एलोपैथ। जब भी कभी फार्मासिस्ट की वैकेंसी आती है तो एलोपैथी विल बी देयर, होम्योपैथिक फार्मासिस्ट विल बी देयर एंड आयुर्वेदिक फार्मासिस्ट विल बी देयर। अंडरस्टैंड? Ayurvedic pharmacist will be there। So I'm talking about the pharmacist allopathic, mostly people are going for the allopathic। Whatever the pay scale you are going to get as per the 7th pay commission, basic will be 29,200 up to 92,300। Understand? Educational and other qualification, this is going to be very important। Why? Because many people are confused that I am going for the diploma, I am bachelor's, so I am eligible or not। So these all things are I am going to clarify in this whole topic। So degree in pharmacy or senior secondary means 12th with diploma in pharmacy। If any people has done diploma in pharmacy means D form। Understand? Plus B form, both are eligible। D pharma student is also eligible, B pharma student is also eligible, but make sure that you are a registered pharmacist under Pharmacy Act। Means you have to go for the registration under what? PCI, your particularly your state PCI, in which state you belongs to। Either you belongs to MP, either you belongs to Telangana, either you belongs to Chennai, either you belongs to in a North Indian state either you belong to Delhi. Understand? You have to go for the registration. तो सबसे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट हैं, मेक श्योर दैट फर्स्ट यू गो फॉर द रजिस्ट्रेशन. Then what is the age criteria? So they have mentioned not exceeding 32 years, means up to 32 years you can give the exam. While in case of CGHS pharmacist, I have already made a video on how to crack CGHS pharmacist. तो CGHS pharmacist के बारे में सारे बता रखे. वहां पे 25 years of age is there for general candidate. Understand? Some age relaxation for OBC and SC is given, but for general it is 25 years. So make sure that CGHS pharmacist you can give only up to 25 years if you belongs to general category candidate. But in case of this exam, ESIC pharmacist exam, you can give up to 32 years. Understand? You are also going to get relaxation if you belongs to any category. Suppose if you belongs to OBC, non-creamy layer, so definitely you are going to get relaxation of 3 years. If you belong to SC or ST, definitely 5 years. Understand? So whatever the age is there, if you belongs to any category, you are going to get relaxation in the age. Understand? Okay, now move ahead. But what recent trend has been seen, educational qualification has been same, means pharmacy degree will be there, diploma will be there, but many of state has just preserved the vacancies. Right now we have seen in the case of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh state has reserved the vacancies of ESIC pharmacist for its own state. समझ गए आप? पहले वो फार्मासिस्ट का एग्जाम कोई भी बंदा दे सकता था, बट राइट नाउ व्हाट रिसेंट ट्रेंड हैज बीन सीन दैट एमपी हैज रिजर्व्ड इट फार्मासिस्ट वैकेंसी फॉर द मध्य प्रदेश रेजिडेंट ओनली. आउटसाइडर्स कैन नॉट गिव द एग्जाम. अंडरस्टैंड? सो आपको ये बात भी ध्यान रखनी है कि कौन सी वैकेंसी जो स्टेट के लिए रजिस्टर्ड है. अगर इफ इट हैज बीन रिटन रजिस्टर्ड विथ एमपी रजिस्टर्ड फार्मासिस्ट, देन it's a state reserved vacancies. Understand? While in previous slide I have shown you that any candidate from India it can give, because it's a all India level vacancy, but right now they have mentioned the MP registered, means they have limited the vacancy to their own residence. Only MP people can give. Understand? And age also they have given the relaxation 18 to 40. Then after that different age relaxation they have given in case of different category. So make sure that you are also aware with the recent trend. So यही कहूंगा आपसे, जल्द से जल्द नौकरी ले लीजिए क्योंकि स्टेट वैकेंसीज आरक्षित कर रहे हैं. While in case of UP, it's open. Anybody can give the exam. Now coming on the syllabus and pattern discussion. So what could be the syllabus? So basically I have divided what basically I have what divided. They have given the syllabus. Technical professional subject means what? Technical professional from pharmacy background. What they are going to ask? So they are going to ask 100 questions and it is of 100 marks, means one question is equal to 1 marks. Understand? Then after that they are also going to get asked from you people general aptitude. It will contain 25 question, 25 marks, means 100 plus 25. You are going to get 125 question and you have to attempt it in 120 minutes. Mean in 2 hours you have to attempt 125 questions. So time is quite sufficient, but anyhow you have to go for the practice as well. In case of general aptitude, they are going to ask from you people general awareness, general aptitude questions, logical reasoning questions. These all things I am going to explain by the questions. So watch the video till end. आपको वीडियो लास्ट तक देखनी है क्योंकि मैंने क्वेश्चन के एग्जांपल से बताया होगा कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आपको, सो दैट इट कैन बी वेरी क्लियर कि व्हाट लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे आर गोइंग टू. So right now I'm going to discuss the question paper. So here you can see they're going to give you 120 minute duration is 120 minute. I have just taken directly from the question paper. The original question paper I have taken. One of my closest friend has given the pharmacist exam. So from there also I have taken. Understand? So you can see this is the question paper of 2019. Understand? So 120 minutes you are going to get and 125 marks or 125 question you have to attempt. Understand? So first will be related to pharmacist allopathy and related to your subject. Understand? Okay. So how they are going to notify? First let it clear. So this type of vacancies you are going to get from the website. You have to go on the website of Employees State Insurance Corporation, that is under the Ministry of Labor and Employment, Government of India. So it's a all India vacancy. Understand? एनी प्लेस यू कैन गेट ट्रांसफर, आप अपने एरिया में भी ट्रांसफर करा सकते हो, ठीक है। तो ये सारी क्लोजिंग डेट, ये सब चीजें मैं ये प्रीवियस वैकेंसीज की दिखा रहा हूँ, ठीक है। आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द पैटर्न, द नोटिफिकेशन, हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू रिलीज of the previous vacancies. So last date will be there, understand? So make sure that you fill the form before the last date. I have just shown this slide for your knowledge that how they are going to notify officially, understand? So before, you can see, before Lok Sabha election in 2019, the bulk level of vacancies has came in ESIC, 415 posts. Many of my batchmates from South India, as well as because I am from the Naipur, so many of my batchmates are from the all over India. So from Telangana also, from Chennai also, we generally say them Anna. So it means big brother. So they have also been selected. So different states have different vacancies. So Assam is there, Bihar is there, Chandigarh is there, even UP is there, Uttarakhand is there, West Bengal, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Ludhiana, Kerala, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Delhi, Chhattisgarh. All states, they are providing the vacancies according to their size. Suppose UP is bigger in size, so they are giving more vacancies for the UP. Understand? It doesn't mean that whatever the state is bigger, there will be more vacancies. You can see, or in the case of Delhi, here requirement is more, so that's why they are taking more vacancies. Understand? So it doesn't mean that state is bigger that they are going to give the maximum vacancies. No. तो जब कभी वैकेंसीज बल्क में आती है तो इस तरीके से पोस्ट निकलती है, ठीक। अदरवाइज कभी कभी 6 पोस्ट, 5 पोस्ट, 15 पोस्ट, 25 पोस्ट, 30 पोस्ट, देर जस्ट टेकिंग ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन बाय द रेगुलर बेसिस। तो रेगुलर बेसिस पे वैकेंसीज आती रहती हैं। नाउ कमिंग ऑन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, question papers या questions asked in previous years. Why we are going to discuss this? Because we are going to get a clear cut idea that what is going to be the level of exam, what are the important topics they are going to ask, what are the important subject they are emphasizing on. Understand? So from pharmacy subject, you can see technical professional subject, they are going to ask 100 question and it will be of 100 marks. Understand? So you can see the nature of question. Bismuth subcarbonate is an, yes, one thing I would like to clear more, that they are also going to deduct 0.25 marks, means 1 by 4 negative marking is also there. So make sure that you do the correct answers. If you are going to take risk, then take risk in which you are clear in more than 50% options, means 2 options you are clear, 3 options are very clear. Understand? If anything is not new to any questions, there is no need to take risk. Understand? तो रिस्क आपको नहीं लेना, अगर बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन नहीं आता, लीव दैट क्वेश्चन, इट विल बेनिफिट यू। उसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं बिस्मथ सबकार्बोनेट इज एन, सो यू कैन सी दी ऑप्शन डायूरेटिक एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, रेप्लेनिस्ट, adsorbent and astringent, saline laxative, antacid is not dead, so it is going to be adsorbent. Moving ahead on the next questions, which of the following is plant growth regulators? So this question has become from the hormones. What hormones? Plant hormones. Auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins. These all questions they are going to ask. So growth regulator is what? Gibberellin. ये आप सभी को पता है, ठीक है। उसके अलावा natural alkaloid used in the treatment of gout. This question they have asked from the pharmacognosy. Understand? So colchicine gout में यूज होती है, सभी को पता है। Very important section is pharmaceutical jurisprudence, because this whole section is going to be very productive. At least 4 to 5 question, minimum 5 question they are going to ask from this section, that is pharmaceutical jurisprudence. And आपको सारी चीजें नहीं पढ़नी है, you have to be very selective and you have to be very specific. Understand? So you can see the question, standard for surgical dressing, schedule F. Basically you have to memorize that. Understand? Classification of bacteria as heterotroph is based on energy source. You can see the nature of questions. I am just discussing the all questions for their nature, so that you can understand how much tough is that exam. Is that really tough, or you can easily crack that exam? Hydrogen peroxide assay. This question has been came from the titration. So titration you have also to discuss, redox reaction. So in first semester you are going to discuss about deal with the titration. So basically titration आपको अच्छे से पढ़ना है। एक्सरे स्टडीज के लिए हम लोग बिस्मथ सल्फेट का सोल्यूशन यूज करते हैं। क्रोमोन्स आर आइसोमेरिक विथ कोमेरिन्स, कोमेरिन्स में ये सारी चीजें पाई जाती हैं। Which one is also known as milk of magnesia? Directly they have asked the questions. magnesium hydroxide is called as milk of magnesia? It is antacid or any other thing? Just put the answer in the comment box. Okay, now coming on the next question. In the presence of food, absorption of drugs such as ampicillin. Ampicillin is antibiotic. So definitely if you are going to take any antibiotic in the presence of food, it is going to reduce. So it is direct questions. Which one of the following is quinolone containing urinary tract anti-infective agent? Directly you have to go for the classification, and from classification you can solve it. Procedure for removing ovaries from HAP, they have asked this question. So that is oophorectomy. Understand? Captopril is, they have directly asked the question from pharmacology, and it is came from the classification. So classification in pharmacology is very important, and you can follow KD Tripathi. Understand? KD Tripathi. Or diploma people can follow N. Murges. N. Murges book is there for pharmacology in diploma. You can follow that. It's a very good book for the diploma. KD Tripathi, it's a all-rounder book. So ACE inhibitor is there. So definitely you have to focus on the classification. आप सभी जो है हर सब्जेक्ट की पहली वीडियोस देखना, उसमें मैंने ट्रिक बताया हुआ कि किसी सब्जेक्ट को कैसे पढ़ना है. सो हाउ यू हैव टू डील विद द फार्माकोलॉजी, आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू इन फर्स्ट वीडियो. So make sure that before going for the study of pharmacology or any other subject, please watch the playlist, first video of all playlists, so that you can be sure that how I have to deal with that subject. Otherwise आप confuse हो जाओगे. So guidance is very important. सब चीजें pharmacology में नहीं पढ़नी है. Understand? Okay. In which of the phases of clinical trial of drug ethical clearance is not required? So this question has been asked from the clinical trial. Understand? So phase 4 will be answer. Which of the following shows high first pass metabolism? So first pass metabolism is what? Suppose you are taking 100 mg of drug, and on the site of action it is going to reach 90 mg. So how much it is going to lose? 10 mg is going to be lost. So 10 mg is first pass metabolism. Understand? So maximum is with propranolol. Understand? अरे जो है ये चीज देखिए, कैलकुलेशन के भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं. सब कैलकुलेशंस क्वेश्चन दे आर आल्सो गोइंग टू बी आस्क्ड. दैट इज एलिगेशन मेथड. एलिगेशन मेथड. अंडरस्टैंड? वेरी सून आई एम गोइंग टू कवर दिस टॉपिक. जब भी मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं तो मैं इस टॉपिक को नहीं पढ़ा पाया हूं, बट जब आप वीडियो हो सकता है देखो तब तक ये कवर कर दिया हूं मैं. ठीक है, तो आप देख लेना इसको. एलिगेशन मेथड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, आपके यूनिवर्सिटी, बोथ यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम एज वेल एज योर कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स, they are also going to ask in the DI exam as well. These type questions they are also going to ask in the DI exam. So this question have been recently asked in the drug controller examination in Rajasthan. Understand? So purity of water can be accessed by determining one of the following properties. From pH you cannot determine the purity. From refractivity you cannot. From viscosity you cannot. From conductivity, because water is a good conductor. So from conductivity you can determine the purity of water. Which filler cannot be used? Make sure that you read the question very carefully. They have mentioned not used for the preparation of tablet for amine containing basic drugs. Understand? To avoid discoloration. So I would like to ask, what is the name of reaction? ये बहुत फेमस रिएक्शन है फार्मास्यूटिक्स में. जब कभी एमिन ड्रग्स के साथ हम लोग लैक्टोज को मिलाते हैं तो एक कलर्ड रिएक्शन होती है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैलार्ड रिएक्शन बोलते हैं, और एनी अदर रिएक्शन. जस्ट put the right answer in the comment. So lactose will be correct answer. So from pharmacology also they are also going to ask different syndromes. Right now they have asked Steven Johnson syndrome. So Ray's syndrome is there, Redman syndrome is there. So different, make sure that you make a list on A4 sheet with different syndrome and drug causing that syndrome, so that any questions cannot be left. So sulfonamide is going to cause Steven Johnson syndrome. Ray's syndrome is caused by aspirin or any drug. Vancomycin is causing Redman syndrome. So different syndromes are there. Okay. So now coming on the next question, gas liquid chromatography. So chromatography also they are going to deal. I have already made videos on chromatography. So gas liquid chromatography, that is totally based on the volatility. Artemisinin, they have also asked from the whatever the structure, means it's a somewhat related to medicinal chemistry questions, or you can say it is related to pharmacology questions, because endoperoxide group is there in artemisinin. RT ether is there. Streptomycin, this one is aminoglycoside. Aminoglycosides. Understand? cannot be given orally for treatment of tuberculosis. Why? Because it is not observed from the GIT. Understand? ठीक है. Which one of the following is not, make sure that you read the question carefully, not an ex officio member of PCI. तो आप जब कमिटीज पढ़ते हो जूरिस्प्रूडेंस में तो आप देखो उसमें एक्स ऑफिशियल मेंबर कौन नहीं है, तो ये इसका राइट आंसर है. ठीक है, ये सब क्वेश्चंस दे हैव आस्क्ड इन ESIC एग्जाम ऑफ 2019, 2016, 2010, different exams. I have taken the questions from different exams so that you can have a clear cut idea. ठीक है, यूजेनॉल, they have again taken it from the pharmacognosy. So यूजेनॉल is present in तुलसी. ड्रग्स एंड कॉस्मेटिक शेड्यूल्स देख, आप देख रहे हो शेड्यूल से क्वेश्चन बार बार पूछे जा रहे हैं. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू रिमेंबर द शेड्यूल्स. सो जीएमपी से रिलेटेड कौन है? शेड्यूल एम. शेड्यूल वाई किससे है? इज इट रिलेटेड टू क्लिनिकल ट्रायल? शेड्यूल एच इज रिलेटेड टू व्हाट? means drug should be taken under medical supervision or prescriptionable drug. Just put the right answer in the comment, in the form of comment in the comment box. Understand? Head over the next. Bloom strand, directly it is related to capsule and capsule is prepared by gelatin. So you can directly put the answer. Understand? Thioglycolic acid, where the thioglycolic acid is? It is acting as hair remover. So hair remover type of formulation is known as depilatory. Directly questions has been asked. One keyword you have to remember and you are going to get the answer in a very easy way. Now coming on the general aptitude, means what type of questions they are going to ask in general aptitude. So you can see over here 25 questions they are going to ask and 25 marks has been allotted. So in general awareness section they are going to ask directly question. For that you can refer Lucent GK book. Understand? So from that book you can also get clear idea about the general awareness. Who wrote Unhappy India? Lala Lajpat Rai. Directly question has been asked. Capital of Lakshadweep. Many of you will be confused from Minicoy and Kavaratti. So make sure that you remember the correct fact. That is Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep, not Minicoy. Understand? Okay, moving ahead. First Opium War. Opium War was related to China and Britain. So that directly they have asked the question. Blood relations, because they are also going to ask logical reasoning. So logical reasoning, in that blood relation they are going to ask the question and you have to give the correct answers. Understand? Then they are going to ask the series type of questions. So for these type of questions you can refer any YouTube channel that is going to deal with the somewhat related with the SSC channel. जो भी channel जो SSC की study करवाते हैं, जो trick वगैरह बताते हैं, from there also you can cover topic wise. Understand? So these type of questions also they are going to ask. F, L stand for plus, M stand for minus, N stand for this. So here what you have to put means 8, N stand for multiply. So here you write down multiply 3. What L stands for? L stand for plus. So here you can write down plus. So by this way you have to solve and you are going to get the correct answer. Understand? Common sense questions. From profit and loss discount question they are going to ask. 10th simple mathematics they are going to ask. From mensuration they are also going to ask the questions from the area as well. So you can see the nature of questions. आप सारे क्वेश्चंस को देख सकते हो, एक बार इसको वीडियो को पॉज करके नेचर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. हिस्टोग्राम कैन बी डायरेक्टली यूज फॉर कंटिन्यूअस डेटा. So I have just given you clear cut idea that in general aptitude what they are going to ask and what type of question they are going to ask. Understand? So till now you are going to be very clear. आपको बहुत सारी चीजें क्लियर हो चुकी होंगी कि क्या लेवल है, क्या मैं इजिली टॉप रैंक से कर सकता हूँ. बिल्कुल आप इजिली कर सकते हो. इजिली यू कैन क्रैक दिस एग्जाम. When my friends can just crack this exam very easily, definitely you can, because you are going to be very advanced generation. The students are coming right now in the different upcoming batches. They are more smarter than us, we as a people. Understand? So आप सब ज्यादा smarter हम लोगों के comparison में. Tips and tricks, that is going to be very important. So आप प्लीज, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज डोंट टेक स्क्रीनशॉट, अदरवाइज आप समझ नहीं पाओगे. Understand each and every point. Understand? So first point is follow smart syllabus. Means you have to be, because the syllabus of B Pharma is going to be very lengthy. एक चीज मैं आपको क्लियर कर दूं, because here diploma as well as B Pharma both are eligible. So you are going to get the syllabus of diploma level as well as B Pharmacy. So mostly they are going to ask from the diploma level, and right now some questions will be there from the B Pharma standard as well. So make sure that you design your own smart syllabus. अगर आप डिजाइन कर सकते हो तो कैसे करोगे? बेस्ड ऑन द एक्सपीरियंस, बेस्ड ऑन द एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. बट आप इजिली क्या कर सकते हो कि मैंने एक स्मार्ट सिलेबस, आई हैव डिजाइंड ए स्मार्ट सिलेबस एंड आई हैव मेंशन्ड अ वीडियो, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ वीडियो हाउ टू क्रैक फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम इन अ 3 month. So from there also you can cover the smart syllabus. Whatever the smart syllabus I have discussed over there, you can follow the same syllabus, understand? But for general aptitude you can follow other sources as well. Then after that you have to go for the previous year question paper analysis. Why analysis is important? Because मैंने क्यों यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन इन्वॉल्व किया, ताकि आप एनालाइज करो कि what are the basic levels they are going to ask, what is the depth of study, कितना डेप्थ तक किसी चीज को पढ़ना है. either they are going to ask the conceptual question or any factual question. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें सब बताने वाला मैंने क्वेश्चन सेट किया तो आपको आइडिया लग गया होगा. ठीक है, so previous year question paper is very important because mostly questions are going to be repeat, understand? So definitely questions are going to be repeated. So आपको यहां से भी फायदा मिल सकता है. Read the syllabus topic wise. Whatever I have mentioned the topic in the smart syllabus, you go for the topic wise. So topic wise आपको पढ़ना है. So better option will be watch all videos from our channel. तो हमारे चैनल पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस आपको मैंने बना रखी है. They are of quality standard. इवन आप किसी कोचिंग में पढ़ोगे, आई कैन अश्योर यू, इवन आप किसी कोचिंग में पढ़ोगे, पैसे पे करके पढ़ोगे, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट दैट क्वालिटी कंटेंट. आपको यहाँ पे सब कुछ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल रहा है. केवल आपको अपना टाइम देना और प्लेलिस्ट को अच्छे से देखना, एक एक वीडियोस को टॉपिक वाइज पढ़ना. जो भी टॉपिक की वीडियो अवेलेबल है उसको बहुत क्लियर तरीके से पढ़ लेना है. ठीक है, बाकी जो टॉपिक वीडियोस नहीं है वो सब मैं डालते रहूंगा, अपलोड करते रहूंगा. सो डेफिनेटली इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम योर सिलेबस इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट. So there is no need to join any coaching because guidance is going to be very important. Guidance सबसे important होती है. Once you have get the guidance, definitely you can do by yourself as well. Now coming on the next point, practice question, very important. So whatever the topic you have read, suppose you have read about sterilization, then make sure that you are going to practice the question of the same topic. It is going to be the right strategy. Understand? It will definitely enhance your confidence because once you have discussed this sterilization and you are going to solve the questions in a very confident manner, it will boost your morale and knowledge. Understand? So this one is going to be right strategy. Suppose if you don't get time, so what you can do, you can just take the previous year question paper and you can practice that. Then after that, practice previous year question asked in a time bound manner. Why? You have to do before exams, so that you can be very confident and so that you can be sure that you are going to get the good time management. Understand? एक ही एग्जाम होता है, कोई इसमें टॉप कर देता है और आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं होता. व्हाट डिफरेंशिएट यू फ्रॉम टॉपर? बिकॉज टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज देयर, दैट ही और शी हैज मैनेज्ड द टाइम, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंशिएटेड फ्रॉम द अदर पीपल. Understand? Apart from that, this portion is going to be very important. You have to practice other pharmacist, means CGHS pharmacist exam is there, means RRB pharmacist exam is there, means AIMS pharmacist exam is there. Different whatever the recent exam has been conducted of the pharmacist exam or any state exam, you have to go for the practice because many of the questions you are going to get repeated. Understand? So ye bhi. So before going for the exam, take good sleep, don't take tension. एंड टेक लाइट फूड. ऐसा नहीं कि गले तक भर के बिल्कुल सो गए. नो, यू हैव नॉट टू डू लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू टेक लाइट फूड एंड अरेंज योर थिंग्स बिफोर नाइट. मीन्स वट एवर द क्लॉथिंग्स यू आर गोइंग टू वियर इन द मॉर्निंग. सुबह बहुत हड़बड़तर भी नहीं होगी कि यार ये पैंट पहनूं, ये शर्ट पहनूं. इस तरीके से नहीं होना चाहिए. रात को ही सबकी ये शर्ट मुझे पहन के जाना है, ये जूते पहन के जाना है. इट शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. ठीक है, पैनिकनेस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है क्योंकि छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, ये बहुत मायने रखती है आपके सिलेक्शन में. आपको क्या लगता है केवल पढ़ाई आपकी मैटर करती है? नो, दिस वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स आल्सो मैटर इन योर सिलेक्शन. और आपको कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है कि जो भी पढ़ा आपने, मैंने जो पढ़ा है मेरे को सब आता है. आई एम गोइंग टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम डेफिनेटली. बिकॉज व्हाई? बिकॉज यू हैव वर्क सिंसियरली. सो डेफिनेटली इट विल बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस. ठीक है, रीच द एग्जाम सेंटर ऑन टाइम सो दैट यू कैन अवॉइड एनी पैनिकनेस. अगर आप लेट पहुंचते हो तो आपको एंट्री नहीं मिलती, आप पैनिक हो जाते हो, घबरा जाते हो. During exam it also matters. So during exam you have to be very patient, understand, you have to be very calm. ठीक है, अगर आसान आ रहा है तो ज्यादा उछलने की जरूरत नहीं है. सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू गेट वेरी टफ क्वेश्चंस इन द अर्ली स्टेज, सो जस्ट काम and read the question paper. Just drink some water and go for the washroom for some time. Definitely you are going to relax. Try to be relaxed in that time, understand, even after the question paper is going to be very tough. So these were some tricks. These were totally based on my experience, जो कि मैंने एग्जाम, बहुत सारे एग्जाम क्वालिफाई किए हैं, तो वो सारी चीजें मेरे दोस्तों ने कैसे एग्जाम क्वालिफाई की, these all things I have discussed. So if you like our videos, definitely you can subscribe our channel, because each and everything you are going to get free of cost in a very quality manner. The only thing you have to give your valuable time, and I can assure you, once you are going to give the valuable time on this channel, definitely you are going to learn a lot. So after subscription you can go for the pressing the bell icon, so that you can get the notification of that whatever the video I'm going to upload in the future. You can follow us on Facebook with the name of Innovators Adda. On the Instagram, we are also available. Understand? In the name of Innovators Adda. So वहां पर मैं पोस्ट डालता रहता हूँ. That post are in the form of questions. तो आपको सारे क्वेश्चन को, जितने भी पोस्ट पढ़ते हो, यू कैन नॉट स्किप. वो सारे हैं, उसको आप पढ़ते रहो, बिकॉज दीज ऑल आर द क्वेश्चंस आई एम अपडेटिंग. यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो अस ऑन द ट्विटर by the name of Innovators Adda. You can also go for the subscription with the name of Innovators Adda. Most important is Telegram channel. So why I would request you people to join Telegram, because many of the recent update I am going to get over there. Easily I am going to update you there. Link आपको वहां पे मिल जाएगी, आपको notes will be there, PPTs will be there. I have just recently put a some important link. From there you can free of cost download all B Pharmacy books or all diploma books in a soft copy in a free of cost manner. So जब मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं, इस समय मैंने अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल में एक लिंक डाला हुआ है. पूरे बी फार्मा की किताब जो भी रिक्वायर्ड है आप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में कर सकते हो. तो ये सब फायदे हैं आपके टेलीग्राम चैनल पे. सो डू इन अ वेरी फास्ट मैनर ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम चैनल, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू बी बेनिफिट यू. So thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for the watching. Have a good day.